Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox assets not loading. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If textures, models, or game assets are not appearing properly, these steps can help refresh Roblox and solve common loading issues. First, locate Roblox on your computer, right-click it, and select Properties. Once the window opens, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable/disable full screen optimizations and also check Run this program as an administrator. After selecting both options, click Apply and then save the changes. If the issue still continues, open the Windows search bar and type Run. Open the Run window and type App Data, then press OK. This will open your App Data folder. From here, open the local folder. Press the letter R on your keyboard to quickly jump to folders starting with R, then find the Roblox folder. Select it and delete it. This removes temporary Roblox files that may be causing loading problems. Next, reinstall Roblox. You can either reinstall it from the Roblox website or use the Microsoft Store. To use the Microsoft Store method, type Store in the Windows search bar and open it. Search for Roblox, then click Get and download it. After Roblox finishes installing, right-click it and choose Run as administrator before launching it. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can also try using a VPN, since network routing issues can sometimes affect asset loading. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix Roblox assets not loading. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.